The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see it? Alright, now, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to where I found this video on social media, it is said that the video shows what happened when police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to a place that is known as Maloney, where it is said that a female had been shot and injured. Now, I did some research to see if I could find out more information about the incident. And according to a news report that I saw, it is said that 2 persons had been shot and injured. See it? According to the news report that I saw, it is said that a man and a woman had been shot and injured. And it is said that sometime at around 9 p.m. on the 16th of March, the year 2021, the victims were standing among a group of persons at the east side of building number 4 on Maloney Boulevard in Trinidad and Tobago. And it is said that shots fired and the persons checked and found out that 2 persons had been shot and injured. It is said that both the male and the female had been taken to a hospital. You see me? I did not get any confirmed information if the 2 persons had been taken to the same hospital, but however, it is said that the female had been admitted in hospital in serious condition. I did not get any confirmed information about the male's medical condition. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show persons yelling and shouting, and according to some of the things that I saw and heard in the video, it would seem as if some of the persons shown in the video was yelling and shouting at the police officers, isn't it? This video also shows when a person hit a police officer, and this video also shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. All right? Now, some of the scenes in this video are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh my God.
Man, you got that shoot up!
I saw she don't go there. How long am I
Yo, Lit!
Them boy when they talk every day. There you go. I'm trembling because I cold.
This was air, you believe in me? I was I get shoot now. I don't know respect for the now. Inside run, no stairs one corner.
Now, please bear in mind that there are more information out there about the incident where it is said that a man and a woman had been shot and injured at a place that is known as Maloney Boulevard in Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? Please bear that in mind. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the next video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that had been said on social media about the video, and according to some things that had been shown and said in this video, I got the understanding that this video shows a person talking about his stepfather. You see what I'm saying to you? And I also saw a video on social media that shows the same person in a physical confrontation with a person who is said to be his stepfather. You see? Now, according to some things that the person said in this video, it seems as if the person was talking about that incident and other things as well. Alright? And I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person said for yourself. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good evening, TNT, and everybody locked into the video right now. My name is Ishmael. As everybody knows, because you have been seeing a video circulating with me lashing someone, the individual. That individual is my stepfather, right? A little stepfather at the end of the day. And I went through plenty for years living amongst them with me, my mother and he. You understand? And my life was never comfortable now. So all you don't know growing up as a youth, the environment is something very important. A child must be stable and comfortable enough to be himself or herself. You understand? I've been going through a lot for years with you. I fight with him at the age of 11. Imagine that, yeah, at the age of 11. You understand? He's a pedophile. He don't even take care of his own responsibility. And does. But everybody quick to just watch our youth and just judge the story now, boy. When you really know what really lead to that and what really make things happen. And thus, I went through that for years to the point it had me, I could have be way better off than why I studied then. So why is now? I had to try extra harder. You feel me? And nothing wrong with that with trying hard. But I just want TNT to know that like, everything we see on camera or on TV, you just watch it, that's so. You just watch it, that's so. Sometimes you have to rock back and say, well, I wonder if something needs to that we do, boy. You dig? I grew up seeing my mother getting lashed from me for years. I been real with TNT because social media is something we could tarnish your name. And I come in real to the people. It ain't nothing to do no advantageous thing. I went through that for years. For years, and I is 18 now. I is 18 years of age now, and I went through that for years. So, somebody must get fed up. Somebody must do something at some point in time. You know? People must just watch our story and judge it by its cover. Don't ever do that. Look in the mirror. Look yourself in the mirror instead of watching somebody. No, like for real. Sometimes they good to just watch yourself in the mirror. We might in want to because we in the situation, but sometimes you good to watch yourself in the mirror. And that's what I just do. I just watch myself in the mirror. So blessing love to everybody, and I just go viral. You know, because it's a good youth. I trying. It's a good one. But you don't know. Much love.
Alright, so there have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.